right, let's see the magic. Y'all ready? Hey, what is up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a sock curl tutorial on my little U-part wig, or my little type 4 leave out. Now I did previously flat iron my hair, but as you can see, it's no longer bone straight. So I'm going to show you how to refresh your natural hair leave out to make it blend with straight hair without using any heat, guys. So this is a sock curl routine. Got my pair of socks here, my husband's pair of socks. So keep on watching. So first thing I'm going to do is to brush the hair out, get it nice and detangled and ready for me. All right, so what I'm going to do is to refresh my part. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is use some hairspray, girl. So this is the Moisture Barrier Firm Hold Hairspray by Frizz Ease. I'm gonna go ahead and spray it all over the section with my leave out so that it lays down nice and flat. And I'm just pressing it in with my hands. And then what I'm going to do is to go ahead and tie it down. Now I'm not worried about the ends of my natural hair because they seem pretty good. They're still pretty straight. But if you notice the ends of your hair is starting to puff up as well, you can do the same hairspray trick down the entire length of your hair. Smooth it with your hands and use like a full length scarf to tie it down. But because I'm just focused on this part, I'm just going to use my regular old head wrap thing. So now for the sock curl, I'm going to separate the rest of my hair in half. I'm going to spray the length of it with some hairspray. Brush it out. And I do want my curl to be slightly forward to frame my face. So I'm going to comb my hair forward. And I'm going to hold the sock up here. Now this part, I just hold on to the hair, hold the hair tight to this, and then turn it like this and bring this piece forward, and then I fold my sock over it. Go. Next side, my little hairspray. So I just gather all the hair in my hands, put the little sock up here, now hold tight at the bottom and twist it as tight as possible so the top can curl. Bring this over. and you put it like this. Now I did not wet this hair because if I wet my natural hair it was going to go crazy. So what I'm going to do is to put you can go under a hooded dryer so that the heat can set the style, or you can just leave it like this for a few hours. So if you don't have a hooded dryer or you don't have hours to wait, you can get one of these. It's like a alternative for a hooded dryer. You can get it at Walmart. I think I got this one at Walmart for like $20. Anyway, you just put it over your head. You pull the drawstring so it's close to your head so the heat can stay in. And then you insert your regular dryer into this end. Alright, so the dryer is in and you turn it on and you stay under this for like a good 15 minutes. Let's see the magic. Y'all ready? See how flat this is, girl? You see how flat this is? The hairspray and then the head scarf and then the little bit of heat from the dryer. Smooth this out nicely, okay? Now let's see if the curls curled, okay? This one I wrapped the end a little bit too crazy. Anyway, but guys, look at these curls, okay? Then I just comb it forward a little. And then flip her back. Yes, Gaga! Girl, tell me this is not a look. Tell me this is not a look. You can't, because it is. All right, guys, so that is the final look. Look at it. Oh my god, beautiful sock curls, and we refreshed our natural hair leave out without using any heat. Oh my god, a little bit of hairspray, tie her down, go under a hooded dryer, or alternatively you can put the sock curlers in and go to bed, and when you wake up in the morning you'll be completely set. Final looks. I could go ahead and do my edges, but I'm trying to give my edges a break. Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil.